So today I'm going to share with you a quick weekly reset. I'm going to clean up, clean the diffusers, as well as see what we have in the refrigerator, what's left from grocery shopping last week, to make a new menu and use everything we have. I like to keep everything zero waste, so I like doing that. I like to make a menu of things, and if we don't get to eat all of the stuff that we have, I create a new menu for the second week, and that's what we're gonna do today. Yeah, so I'm just gonna clean up here a little bit and take you along my weekly reset. We also have to do laundry today, so I'll show you that, and we might go to a movie, I'm not sure. Yeah. So here I am going to start cleaning up the living room, picking things up. I'm gonna pick up Crowley's toys. We always have a toy party where I take out all her toys and we play with them. I also do a lot of toy rotation with her, just so she thinks that her toys are new, but they're not. I'm going to pick up the living room, fluff the pillows, the couch. This is a second-hand couch, and we love it very much, so we try to take care of it as much as possible. I always like to keep pillows here just to keep the living room cozy, and Crowley has her little blanket there so she can take naps on the couch. I also have a blanket here just so we can just cozy up and watch movies, as well as a blanket on the rug for Crowley to play on. We call it the Crowley baby playmat. She does not like the texture of the carpet, so we do this so she can play and sit with us in the living room. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up and get the vacuum and get everything picked up from the floor. This rug or the living room and basically all the house at least 2 times a week, mostly 3 times a week, depending on how much Crowley's shedding. But I love vacuuming this rug because it always looks like brand new, and I love this vacuum because it has like a setting for area rugs, which activates the brush in it, and it helps it remove all the trash and hair and stuff from the rug, which I love so much. So I use that setting on this rug, and I use the regular setting on the floors. Crowley's carriers. I use this backpack to take her for walks when we go to the park, and then I use her carrier for the car because we went to a park and we sat there for a couple hours. So I'm cleaning up that and putting it away in the closet where it goes. I like to keep the backpack easy access because we like to go for walks in the morning, and I bring her with, and it's easier for her to see where she's going on her backpack than to bring it out from the closet. Now here I am cleaning my desk area. This used to be our dining room, and we were holding on a table for what used to be our landlord, but when he sold the house that we're living in now, he took it. So I'm using it for now as a desk yoga studio area until we gone to our next place next year. But I have enjoyed, as you can see, it's also a playroom for Crawley, but I just like to give her options so she can play and just have space to run around. But I'm cleaning my desk here, and this is where I do most of my work, and I like to keep things tidy and in everything in one place. It is laundry day. I usually do laundry on the weekends, and I change the bedding to new bedding. But I'm just going to grab this blanket and wash the dress as well. And I'm going to vacuum the room as well and just clean up here. It's just two of us with Crawley, so it doesn't really get messy here. And it's been hot, so we keep an extra fan here just for those hot days. And we're going to get this room cleaned up. Clean up the surfaces, and as you will see soon, Carly, every time I go in the kitchen, she goes in the kitchen. I think it is a sign for her that she's hungry, or that every time I go in the kitchen she wants to eat. So you'll see her on the table soon. But I am cleaning up the kitchen, the surfaces, and I am also going to be taking out my thieves cleaner and getting it so I can clean up the whole entire kitchen and refrigerator. Like I said in the beginning of the video, we like to keep everything zero waste, so we don't like to waste food. So after going grocery shopping a week before, I make sure I make a new menu for the food that we have in the refrigerator so nothing goes to waste and everything gets used. I like to clean up the refrigerator every week just to make sure we're keeping things clean, and as well as nothing goes to waste or nothing is sitting there for longer than a week. I also like to go through the pantry here just to make sure we have enough of things that we use every day, like nutritional yeast and stuff, and whatever jars need to be refilled, I do that. But right now I'm just making sure and doing a mental note of what needs to be restocked. The last task is cleaning diffusers. Is my favorite part. Cleaning diffusers and adding a new blend to make the house smell good, as also as so supportive for our emotions and our well-being. So I love essential oils and I love diffusing. I used to be a candle junkie. Basically every week or every month I will go to Marshalls or Target or TJ Maxx and get a candle. But I did my research on the fragrance and toxic ingredients in candles, so I ditched them and I switched to essential oils. And now I love that the diffusers are beautiful, as well as I can change blends throughout the day and I don't have to stick to one. And it's also more zero waste because I don't have to figure out what I am going to use the jar of the candle for. I love this. It has helped my emotions so much, and it has taught me so much about learn my feelings, as well as understand others' feelings when we're living together, as well as supporting Crowley because it has helped her so much with her emotions. So I love essential oils in my diffusers, and I clean them every week just to make sure they're working as they should. I hope you really enjoyed this weekly reset. I love doing this every week. I just will start a new week with clean clothes and clean home, as well as clean diffusers, and just set the intentions for the week. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.